Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto Service. We just wanted to take a quick video regarding backup cameras. I've had this problem backing up a big truck when it's fully loaded with stuff inside, backing it up into tight spaces like townhomes or condos. And so we decided to put a backup camera for our truck. And it's this small little camera out here which goes on top of the license plate. It's connected to the reverse light switch. And then let me go up ahead. When you basically put and you have this monitor out here which is connected wirelessly to the camera at the back, so you don't have to run a wire through the entire length of the truck, but you do need to have a power source for this particular camera which can go into any cigarette lighter. So if I put the truck on reverse, you will see that the camera gets activated. There's another car behind the camera, and it'll give you an idea of what you will see. So basically we wanted to show you that many people who have pickup trucks or people with large minivans, they have this issue. We've come across many customers who have said that we have a problem when it comes to backing up our cars. We are not able to see what's at the back, especially if it is fully loaded with stuff, or things which larger vehicles which need to back up into tight spaces like parking lots at malls and all that. So this kind of a solution can be aftermarket solution for many of the cars. We wanted to provide this service to our customers to make sure that they are safe, they don't go and bang into the car at the back, or can back up safely into a tight spot. So if you need this service, please give us a call. We'll be glad to assist you with that. Again, our phone number is 604-518-6684, and this is D&V Mobile Auto Service, and we can come to your location and install backup cameras for you. Thanks.